apologize for being late. First, I was talking to the former ambassador who is now assigned in Indonesia, Kim, I forgot his name again. We were talking about U.S.-Philippine relationship, and then I was donning the ranks of the military. Ambassador, itong Rocos na dumating talaga, it came to E4 yung alitan ko sa kanila. Tinanggal ko yung BFA, sila na naman ngayon ang lapit ng lapit. Kaya sabi ko, ulitin ko, how could it be wrong? When can it be wrong? Kung magsabi ako, do not destroy my country because I will kill you. Who can debate with that? That is the preservation of my people. If you destroy...
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.